Do you know, a lot of famous artists have difficulty drawing hands. Well, I've found a good way of doing them. Simply divide them up into sections. Now, what have we got here? Well, the palm of my hand I've drawn like a plate, and hanging off each side of the plate there is 3 sausages for each finger. And for the thumb, I've got 2 sausages there. There it is. Now, it's just simply a case of watching what each of those sausages does. And look at this. Put my hand into that position. What have we got there? Well, we've got the plate down there. And we've got 1, 2, 3 sausages there. And we've got 1, 2, 3 there. And the thumb, we've got 1, 2, pointing up like that. Now, if you do this in pencil, you can go over it afterwards with a pen. And then it's just a case of, when you've done it, rubbing the pencil out. And there you have it. A hand. Handy things, sausages.